This is the Blackview A100. I finally got my hands on it after all this mess that's been going on. So this phone has 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, the Helio P70, Android 11, Full HD display, 4,680 mAh battery, all for $150. Oh, and a 6.67 inch display. So yeah, I think like so far, just the specs on paper, this sounds like a really great value smartphone. All right, like the presentation. Only the Brave. The back does feel like a cheap plastic, but hey, this is a cheap phone after all. But overall, it feels pretty sturdy in the hand. I kind of like the feel, actually, believe it or not. In the box, we get our charging brick, 18 watts, and our USB Type-C cable. All right, so first impressions, I really like the display. The corners here look a bit weird, but overall the bezels are very small. The punch hole is looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up and get back to you. All right, so here we have our screen lock options if you want to set the fingerprint unlock. So pattern, pin, password. We're just gonna do a very simple pin code here, nothing fancy, just to test the fingerprint sensor. And it is over here on the side if you didn't know. And yeah. And that's pretty much it. So we can choose between gesture navigation and free button navigation. I recommend gestures because they are the new thing. And there we go, the phone is all set up. So first impressions, let's go try and go to settings real quick. So far the phone is very responsive. I'm really liking the display. Let me take down the brightness so you guys can see better. So yeah, I'm really liking the display. This is a very good display so far. So we do have face unlock, so we're gonna go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so first up, we're gonna test the fingerprint unlock. Okay, that was kind of slow. Let's try that again. All right, so it is pretty fast and accurate. Not perfect though. Now face unlock. Oh, face unlock is even faster, what? Close up now. Okay, face unlock is very fast. Don't know how to say like on every condition, but in this like lighting condition, it is very fast. So very happy about that. All right, so it runs perfectly with the ads. So let's see how it is without. Okay, so absolutely no lag with Knife It. Wind Rider, I expected a bit better, not gonna, oh, okay, never mind. So in the beginning, okay, yeah. I see what's going on now. So the frame rate is not consistent whatsoever. It's like going up and down. You can see like all the frame drops. So right now so this is 60 FPS, but then it drops down to like 30 or 40.
Move freely on Spawn Island while you wait to board the plane.
Okay, thank you. Frame rate. All right. All right. So these are the high graphics pack. So like literally the highest graphics that this phone can do with this game. And it's running pretty good. These are like the highest settings. Got HD frame rate is the highest, and it looks like PUBG works just fine on this phone. So the speaker is pretty good. The volume is pretty decent. The overall quality is decent. It could be a little bit better for the price, but can't really complain too much. We don't have a headphone jack, however, so that might be a deal breaker for some of you guys. Rear camera is 12 megapixels. Front camera is 8 megapixels. Rear video is full HD. Front video is full HD. So yeah, let's take our first selfie. Let's go outside. We are facing video on the Blackview A100. The focusing is not that great. I tried to focus up close on a flower and it wouldn't focus. So maybe video is going to be different. Hold on. So with the video, it actually does focus. I didn't even have to tap on the screen. Like Samsung level focus. How is it when I was trying to take a picture, it didn't work? Who knows? Front facing video on the Blackview A100. Let me know what you think. Also, I should say the display, it's hard to see, but easier than other phones, so visibility in direct sunlight is decent. So yeah, that is pretty much it. So should you buy this phone? I think for $150, the phone is definitely worth it. We get good performance, a good display, good specs, good speaker, decent cameras, good battery. So this phone is pretty much the whole package, you know, even Android 11 and all that. So I do recommend it, yes. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Peace.